Nuer malaka niambia kamalka Nuer online TV channel. Tukon kalar mjidit mbukon lingwasa me kwi moroleni ki Greater People Administrative Area katin jekti lat korodin winami. Roja bana linga roja mishala da kuma South Sudan no te ke luok te chop ke kurdangwan are wicha kapibor te kaneluk jidwe rechop ko kudangwan te kaneluk te ke mishali mobile code ke gwada dan la luok ten mishali mobile code no mo walar ke jere wujin winami ko de ngoten content nyo da gwanu te mite ga dwerre cha dwire ne den ten winami de ke luka ja ke de ke yen ke ja ajen dan balat gwasa me ke do dan en chai no ngeje ngai kon diala no ne to ngwana kare wicha ke GPAA la win murlene kan dial ke rudien dial ngwana ji dwiri ki ne te lat ke shan ne te kwel ko ok ne de nagana ne te gop ka gat te kan ka gat ke ne te gol jen ban lingwas me ke jen lere me kenyam go jen o mi jira me jidit de subscribe de notification bell de je twany nyog ba gor jeno an wo jendero sharo de ja gor pingwas ma ko mi ler bare da chamala shuba keje ka jen ler me bana jalat kenyam ka thoknath ka kor bana janan ka tok english ko ko lo shuba ne dial konen don ko ke thoknath goye charging one jakre which ka Greater People Administrative Area ko te ka lok to shop ko kudangwan ki kudangwan woniam te kanaluk duer tungwan tungu te kan jikene yen ki kan ka quiz duer which ndan to morlente ke la Greater People Administrative Area aname jen people court gwadan la lokotin ngode ken ne de to ken realaka amen cha ko le kum South Sudan cha na cha ka jakan tama ana jagan wale ke shanka wal diok ka pa diok ron kin dangro udi dangro udi diech ko bane tin konte la jidwiri ba ko lugan winami code ten chitimene yen ma pa lef no yen chala mobile code okay mobile code chala mobile code ala ramkel mishali General John Jogai wajela deputy director ka general duel yen mandan chana yenten chela do ne tene di choko kudang wanu jendi udung wan te kan duerken kan luk te ka tinnen gwasa mone chika right ke SSBC South Sudan Broadcast Corporation Television ka do danan de rikto de ga malat ke je ko de jidwa de ka ko duerken ka de ramo motel duer de je maluñ jika right mo kan lat ke television and go cha team cha jakke bon cha jagre which kapibor ko be mene te kon la jidwiri ba ko lukon winami ajen kwala cholga jamon wo mobile code pibor code aw so jenen yenamo gwada danan ba lo to ba lukten cha rojo mo cha je ko ne ken chikala no ne di shop ke kudang wanu jero wi bangwan case ni te kanalat re which winami e kan teketen ban ne me ban je chulinkel ka tok english ka dobrana cha gor ke je. The South Sudan Judiciary has dispatched a mobile court team to Pibor Administrative Area to try over 400 pending cases in the area. General John Jogai, the Deputy Director General of Prison Services, only 5 of 434 cases had been tried by the court. Speaking to the state-owned television SSBC, Jog welcomed the arrival of the mobile court team, hoping that the overcrowded prison facility will see relief once trial begin. The number of cases we have here in Pibor now is 434, but only 5 cases have been decided, and there are 429 cases that have not yet been decided and are still waiting, stated by Jog. I'm happy today that the transferred court is in Pibor administration because the prison is crowded and the start of this trial will reduce the crowding in the facility, he said. In 2024, UNIMIS established a court infrastructure in Pibor on of Greater Pibor Administrative Area. Speaking about the initiative, Simon Wang, a legal counsel at the Minister of Justice and Constitutional Affairs, acknowledged the government responsibility for the mobile court but cited economic constraint as a challenge. He appealed to partners to step in and provide transportation for judges, legal counsel advocates, and police officers involved in the process. The responsibility of the mobile court is in for the government, but we have a problem of economic crisis, he said. That is why we requested from our partner, and they supported us for the transportation of the judges and legal counsel. Mobile court consists of judges, legal counsel, and an advocate plus police, he said. Meanwhile, the chief of the People Administrative Area, Peter Mas, said, I think the opening of this court is now going to solve a lot of problems, not only in terms of criminal, but even in terms of chiefs who are here, because this court is a court of law that will try cases based on the evidence based on the crime, say Mas.